Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to start following brands in the Zalando app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Zalando app. And here, after it loads, it usually opens up in the shopping menu, where we can look at different kinds of clothing articles and fashion trends. But we have to go into the profile menu. In the top right corner, there is a person icon which we have to tap. Here, we have to scroll down a bit, and in the Make It Yours section, there is Your Brands. We have to tap on this button, and there are two options here. We can look at this scrollable list where there are different brands that are suggested for us, and then easily we can just tap follow, and we are going to follow these brands, and also we can add brands at the top. If we tap on this, then there is another scrollable list where we can find the brands that we most like and search for them, and then add them to our following list. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.